by Prince Caspian. I'm sexy and very handsome, as you know. And this lady is very, what they say, unique in the French language or so. I don't care. Let's just skip to the chase. Honey, I want to get this on video, and we are divorcing.
What the bitch?
I'm sorry, but I need to beat you up.
Nothing face, honey. No. Oh, you know I have a deformation calibration. Honey, no. Honey, come back here. And you know what to divorce. Oh, we had so many good times. Honey,
She's dead. Now I shall find my new love.
Hello, Prince Caspian.
Hello, my love.
So, if you're not busy, I was wondering if you could, go to the movies with me.
That would be wonderful, my love.
So, see you at 7.
Okay, I will pick you up in my chariot of Volkswagen. Yes.
Okay.